What's up guys, Cody with Sonic Electronics. We're at the Metra booth at SEMA 2024. We're looking at the new dash kit they have for double DINs for the 2013 to 2020 Pathfinder. So as you can see, it's kind of like a three-part kit here. On the bottom part, obviously, where you're going to put that new double DIN car stereo that you picked up on sonicelectronics.com. This is your climate controls. It's going to maintain all the great stuff you already love and enjoy with those climate controls. Nice pushy buttons too. They've got a really nice feel to them. Very nice knobs. Just, talking about the quality here of this piece. And then up top, you have this really nice OLED touchscreen display to adjust some of those climate controls. So you have your factory style hard buttons with laser edge graphics to retain access. Vehicle personalization menus. Easy to use rotary knobs with 7-inch touchscreen display status for temperature and fan speed. As well as this will retain your backup camera when equipped and steering wheel functionality. So that's great. You're getting to keep some of those OEM features, even though you're going to an aftermarket stereo. We always love to see that. Of course, it being Metra, it's going to come with all the little nicks and bobs that you need to install that new double DIN that you get. So if you're interested in the 2013 to 2020 Pathfinder, you're going to find that solution in the Metra 957643. You can check it out on Metra.com, or you can head on over to Sonic Electronics, load your vehicle, see what fits. You should see this guy if you load that Pathfinder. And we'll see you guys in the next one.